Alright, welcome back to another video. I know I said no intros, guys. I want to basically leave you guys without a proper introduction of where we at. So the first video, I actually did the PA system, the bag for the intake, and also the wing adapter. It's pretty cool. Of course, it was going to have a small little bit where it didn't fit 100%. That's what you get for buying a cheaper brand. Today's video, we're going to be knocking out a few other things. I'm not too sure what's going to happen in the 10 minutes. It's a lot of stuff I want to leave in for you guys. There is a lot of how-tos. I've done this before, so I'm probably once again not going to be talking throughout the video. A little short intro. You can see behind me, that's a little sneak peek of what we're going to be attempting to do today. There's also that, but that's probably for another day because it is going to need some welding and stuff. But we're going to be chopping some stuff today. So in today's video, it's going to be some chopping, gonna be some modifying. And I do have a radiator in because if you guys haven't seen in the canyon run, mine started to leak at high elevation, so there's a small little leak somewhere. So I'm gonna fix that today. I know that's for sure in today's video, and who knows, a bunch of other surprises. So enough talking, let's get to work.
Yeah, I'll take it. A smaller one, I see. If you have one.
Yeah. She said, wee! Hold on.
I'm holding it for my body weight.
Let me lower the jack.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, yeah, right there.
No, she's gonna fall. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Wait, don't hold it too much. Are you still recording?
So you can have this for later and edit it as like a gag. Who let two idiots do this?
Okay, you could be fine to get up. No, oh, no, stay on there. Balance it.
I am.
Hold it. Hold it. I gotta get this. How am I gonna do this? Hold on.
Okay, good.
I even did the balancing. I don't know why it's...
You want it to lean back?
No, try to pick it up.
You're literally dropping it all the way to the back, Lovey.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see. That rear thing is messed up anyway, so don't put too much on it.
I don't think your stand's gonna be able to hold that.
Oh, that's a blooper and a half. Where am I gonna put this guy at now?